Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can see all of your backup photos in your Google Photos account really quickly. So let us get started right away. Launch the Google Photos application on your mobile device, be it for example on your Android. And what you want to do, guys, is tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Just make sure that you're logged in with the associated Google/Gmail account, of course. And what we want to do next, guys, is check if the backup feature is enabled for your Google Photos account. To check that, simply tap on Backup Complete below your Google account here. And if you see this option here at the top enabled, backup is on, you can be sure that the backup feature is currently working for your Google Photos. So you may head back to your home screen here on your phone. And what you want to do, guys, to access all of your backed up photos from Google Photos is simply access your Google Photos account through a web browser. In this case here, for example, Google Chrome. So head over to Google Chrome, launch the application on your mobile device. And here on Google search, simply type in Google Photos here in the search bar. And after that, select the first search entry below, sign in. Make sure that you signed in with the associated Google/Gmail account, of course, and that is going to redirect you to your Google Photos account accessed via the web browser here, or mobile application browser. And that's basically it. Here you will see a list of all of your backed up photos that are currently saved in your Google Photos backup account associated with your account here in Google. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.